We are following breaking news out of Wall Street. Stocks tumbling once again today, capping off their worst week since the financial crisis of the coronavirus continued to rattle investors. The Dow is down right now 389 points or so. It is still settling, but it was much worse earlier in the day. And the news follows the report of a new case of coronavirus confirmed in California. The woman was quarantined at Travis Air Force Base, then released by the CDC and is now under self-quarantine at home. The number of cases spread person to person now in the U.S. here, 3 right now in the U.S.
Meanwhile, there is still one possible case being tested here in New York, a person who recently traveled to Italy and exhibited respiratory symptoms. New York City is still sending samples to the CDC in Atlanta to be tested, as some states are now doing their own testing. Eyewitness News reporter Jim Dolan is live in the newsroom with the very latest on the coronavirus. Jim.
Liz, novel coronavirus has spread now to people in 56 countries in all parts of the world. Nigeria, Kuwait, Singapore. The virus does not yet rise to the level of a pandemic, but in short order it could. And so the World Health Organization today hiked its threat assessment for the virus to the highest possible level. As health department officials struggle to gain control over the growing threat of the novel coronavirus, the holes in the system still seem troubling. The lab test provided to states and cities to check for the virus are not trusted by either the city or state of New York, and both are demanding CDC action.
I'm the mayor of the nation's largest city. I've been pleading with the administration to let localities use their capacity to actually do this work, and they've been sitting on their hands. This is becoming malpractice at this point.
Other tests are in the works, but none is available yet. If there is good news, it is that the virus seems to be yielding some in China, with fewer reported infections there than at any time since COVID-19 was discovered. But it continues to spread to more people in more countries.
We have now increased our assessment of the risk of spread and the risk of impact of COVID-19 to very high at global level.
In the meantime, while the virus hasn't claimed any lives in the U.S., it has roiled the stock market, now at the end of what will surely be its worst week since 2008. As 401ks dive in value, the Trump administration seems unconcerned.
I just don't think this short-term stock market plunge is going to have any long-term effect.
A California woman became the first case of a person to get the virus in the United States who had not been directly exposed to someone who traveled. She went to a hospital reporting symptoms, was placed on a ventilator, but because of her history, was not tested for 4 full days.
Every single delay in testing means potentially the virus could go to hundreds or thousands of more people.
Late this afternoon, this development. New York State has now developed its own test for COVID-19 and is awaiting FDA approval to begin using it. They believe it's a better test. They believe that approval will happen imminently. Also, late this afternoon, the Fed announced that if this stock market continues to slide, they will get involved. They did not give specifics.